turning now to your weather. Sacramento right now sitting at 73 degrees, Stockton 72. The northern San Joaquin Valley nearly touched 100 degrees today. Right now at this hour, we're still sitting at very nice mild temperatures. Marysville right now 75 and South Lake Tahoe already into the mid 50s. And this temperature change is going to be rather pleasant for those of you who were liking the warmer temperatures. However, if you were ready for them to get out of the area, this week at least is going to be pretty hot out there. Today's high temperature in the Sacramento Valley, 97 degrees. This was after an overnight low at about 56, and you can see where we typically are this time of year, about 84. So we're quite a bit warmer than we typically are, and seasonably warm temperatures are here to stay for this week at least. You can see that record set back in 1960 at 107 degrees. Not quite there at least, so that's something to be fortunately happy about, I suppose. Here's a look at our high temperatures throughout the region. We saw 88 degrees in Placerville, Marysville, nearly 99. We did get reports that we did see the triple digits in areas around Red Bluff and Chico today. So pretty hot temperatures all around. Stockton nearly saw 100, as did Modesto, and Fairfield a little breezier there today. So they were just a couple of degrees cooler. For the next 12 hours in Sacramento, this is how our evening and morning is going to be shaping up. By 1 o'clock this morning, we'll be at about 69 degrees. Only really dropping into the lower 60s overnight, so pretty nice temperatures tonight. You can still open your window and let the Delta breeze come into the area this evening if you don't want to run the AC, but you are going to want to turn it on pretty early tomorrow afternoon because we'll be at 83 degrees by 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So here's a look at our satellite and radar and what's going on in the atmosphere. We do have an area of low pressure sitting right over the Southern California areas and up toward the Central Valleys as well. We know those wildfires are all burning down in Southern California. Similar story up here as far as fire danger. We do have very warm temperatures and low humidity planned for at least the next 7 days in the valley. But as we go into the Sierra, this cold front that's pushing through, it's a very weak system, but it is going to hit landfall in the higher elevation by about Tuesday of this week, presenting a chance for some isolated showers throughout the high country. And that is going to, of course, pose a threat for those fire crews out there if we do have any lightning strikes with that. So we'll continue to monitor that storm. But for the valley, we are going to maintain dry conditions for the next few days, getting up to 85 degrees in the foothills around Pollock Pines tomorrow. The next 5 days in Tahoe, 76 and breezy on your Sunday. Gusts up to about 25 miles per hour expected in the upper elevations around the Sierra. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday is when we see that chance for isolated showers come into the high country. Right now, it's only at about a 20% chance. So again, we'll continue to monitor that, but we are safe to say that we'll stay fairly dry here in the valley for the rest of the week. 63 degrees overnight for Patterson, getting up to 96, and then mostly sunny skies with winds out of the north, just about 5 to 10 miles per hour tomorrow for areas around the valley. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast now. Temperatures getting right back up into the 90s for your Sunday. Warm, dry, hot, sunny. Those are going to be the adjectives that you can use as you head out the door and into the work week. And also as you look at this Tuesday, I'm going to say slight just because it's hardly really any, but it is a slight cool down on Tuesday, getting right back into the 80s, but then that's not going to last very long, guys. We're going to be back into triple digit territory by next weekend.
It's getting hot.
It is getting hot. Not even summer yet either.
I know. We have a lot to look forward to this summer, I can imagine, with this Mother Nature trend.
Brace yourselves.
Dina, thank you very much. Well, Director